Namaste everyone, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to talk about detoxifying breath, which is called Kapalbhati. So Kapalbhati is very detoxifying process of your body when you take shower or when you clean your body. You use all different kind of soap, cleansing lotions, or maybe shampoo or anything that cleans your outer surface of your skin. But this Kriya, Kapalbhati, it cleans you from inside. So let's do this asana step by step, taking any comfortable posture. You can sit on the chair, you can sit on the sofa, or you can sit on the floor like me. Drop your both hands softly on the top of your knees or thighs. I'll go a bit backwards so you can see me completely. So any comfortable seated posture. Cross your legs, or you can just open your legs and drop your both hands on the top of your knees, lengthening your spine, neck, head, forming one straight line. Inhale deep. Hold for 5 counts. 2, 3, 4, 5. Start rapid exhalation with contraction in your stomach, like hope you understand. If you are new to yoga, I will clarify more. If you're already doing practice with me, you won't have any problem. So I will place my hand. So when I'm taking deep breath, my stomach becomes full with air. So after my diaphragm becomes like a balloon, stomach becomes like it rises high with air. And after holding 5 counts, I will do rapid exhalation when my stomach wall will have contractions. I will squeeze my stomach wall like. So here my inhalation becomes passive and exhalation becomes active. One inhalation followed by 20 or 30 exhalation. You can, if you're out of breath, if you're tired, you can stop anytime. So listen to your body, do according to you. So ready? Take a deep inhalation and your spine is straight. Your diaphragm becomes like a balloon. Stomach rises high. 4, 5. Start. Repeat and 20 times. You can stop at after 5 times, or 10 times, 20, or you can stretch up to 100 times. So let's practice this time. 1 inhalation followed by 30 exhalation. So you don't need to place your hands. It was just to demonstrate. So you can bring your hands back on your knees, inhaling deep, like full yogic breath. Smile on your face and start exhalation. Beautiful. This Kapalbhati Kriya you should be doing at least 2 to 3 minutes. So once you learn how to do properly, you can do in your own comfort. You can stretch up to 11 minutes. But it's not like you have to do 11 minutes all together in one sitting. You can break, do 2 to 3 minutes in the morning, 2 to 3 minutes in the afternoon, 2 to 3 minutes before bedtime. And you are cleansing your body from inside. Kapal means forehead, Bhati means glow. So when you are clean from inside, naturally the shine will come on your face. That's why we call it Kapalbhati. So your skin will start glowing. So let's do together. We will do this time all together. So 1 in breath followed by 30 out breaths. So ready, yogis? Take a deep cleansing breath. Start, please. Inhale deep. Exhale complete. Thank you very much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed this Kapalbhati Pranayama.